Namaste everybody, my name is Irina, I'm from Russia and I already finished this amazing teachers training course. Um, it was wonderful to because here we not only take knowledge but we have really experience, deeper experience in pranayama and also we get knowledge about Yoga Sutra Patanjali and Bhagavad Gita. It's really important for me because in Russian translation we have different ways, and it's for me it was really important to share this knowledge with guru who really know meanings of Sanskrit scriptures. And I want to say thank you for my guru and teachers, um, and now I already teach yoga in Russia, but it was a really nice experience to look on myself from different ways and to have a feedback from the groups. Thank you everybody.